going on, everybody in Mask Squad? Welcome back to a brand new video. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing of something special. This right here is the Blu G91 Pro, a brand new device that they decided to send over to me. And I'm pretty excited because I never got a press box before. But guess what? We got that motherfucker now. Oh! So here we are with the G91 Pro. It is a flagship phone from Blu, and this device has a crazy amount of specs here. It's probably the best phone that they released like ever. You get a 6.7-inch full HD plus display. Now on the back it says infinity dot display. I'm not sure what that means. 2400 by 1080 resolution, full HD. Duh. Now inside of this device is the MediaTek Helio G90. I'm not sure if you know what that is, but it's a processor from a company, C's, blase. I've never used one myself, so I'm kind of excited. 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. You get 4 cameras on the back, a giant battery, 5,000 milliamp hours. You get wireless charging and quick charging. Now, like I said, Blu told me that they're going to be selling this device at $150 for the first 200 customers. So you guys want to make sure you get to Amazon as quick as you can, because if you can get this device for $150, it's pretty much a steal. But the regular price is going to be $250. So hurry up, because it's not going to last long. I would have to reach out to Blu, but it says here in the back of the box that they have a talk time of about 4 hours, playing time with music around 6, standby is 95 hours. I don't know if these numbers are made up or not, but shout out to Blu. I'm just teasing. Standby time is 95 hours, and charging battery box, or the charging box for the battery, is 300 milliamp hours, and it has a Type-C for charging. And it says here that it has a premium metal housing design. So now I'm going to go ahead and fill this up with some of my Maxi Rock juice and get to the unboxing of the phone. So Mask Squad, here we are with the unboxing of the star of the show, the Blu G91 Pro. And here are the specs in the back of the device, because I'm not going to read it again. Go ahead and pause the video. And I like the little reflection on the back of the box there. It's actually kind of cool. Looks pretty premium coming from Blu. Looks pretty nice. All right, and as we all know here with Blu, they don't skip on the goodies, right? So here is your USB Type-C to Type-A charging cable here. All right, go ahead, throw this back in the plastic, because I'm not really gonna need that. You know, I'm not really gonna need it. You get some wired headphones, which is pretty dope. Not bad, not bad. Hey, free stuff is free stuff, so I'm not complaining at all. Here is your 30-watt charging brick, which is pretty hefty. All right, put this back up in here, and then you also get some poison, like a little bit of poison in here, a little bit of poison. Now here is the case that comes in the box, which is pretty nice. I actually got this same case on a different phone. Probably not going to rock the screen protector either, but you know, it is in there in case I want to. But yeah, you get all these things inside of the box, and Blu always, well, sometimes they don't put it in every single phone, but they always send you extra goodies, which is always a plus. And I always have appreciate Blu for doing that. But let's put that poison back in there, close this box back up, and get to the star of the show. So here it is, the Blu G91 Pro. Let's get this plastic off of it. Oh, and it has a nice little coloration to it. On the back, it's not like quite gray, but it got a little, I don't know, a little sheen, little shine to it a little bit there. But on the side here, you get your power button, of course, volume up and down keys. Noise canceling mic is on top. SIM tray slot is on the side there. You also get an additional button. I'm not sure what that button's for, but I will find out. On the bottom of the phone, you get USB Type-C for charging, a headphone jack, a loudspeaker, of course. And on the back here is where you'll see your quad camera setup along with your fingerprint scanner. Let's get some of this plastic off of the device here. All right, got another one back here. Let's see. Anyway, I'm not even gonna worry about it now. So let me go ahead and get this thing powered on. Show you guys what that boot screen looks like. This is okay, got a little noise to it there. Let's go ahead and get some information in this device, and I'll see you guys in a second. So, Matt Squad, this is the Blu G91 Pro, and I gotta be honest with you guys here. The phone has a pretty good set of cameras, can't lie to you. The rear camera on this thing, well, the front camera is actually pretty good itself, and the rear camera looks pretty good too. Now listen, it's not gonna be like a freaking flagship level phone as far as, you know, dumping all these resources into these cameras to make them look a certain way and on the quality. It's not gonna be that at all. But overall, it looks pretty good. Let me go ahead and show you guys. It's zoomed in. It's actually pretty nice. That's wide angle right there. I'm not sure if you can do video, but yeah, can't do video. But anyway, yeah, the front facing camera looks pretty good. It can shoot up to 4K, and it's only at 30 frames per second. It's pretty much locked to that. Now, I just played some audio from this phone, and the audio is only coming from the bottom. Doesn't have any dual speakers. And then on the right side here, or on the left side, excuse me, this is actually a Google Assistant button. So you press that, and you can activate your Google Assistant, which is pretty cool. And up here is where you see your SIM tray slot. Now, I read online that this device is supposed to be able to work on all carriers. It's unlocked for every single carrier. I'm going to confirm that information when I actually do my first impressions video. I'm not sure because I have to put a Verizon SIM in there. And once I do that and it connects, that'll pretty much answer the question. On the back here, you got a fingerprint scanner. A fingerprint scanner and face unlock. Now, face unlock is just using your face here. Somebody can probably unlock your phone with you just being asleep, and it works really fast. And you can turn on haptics as far as vibration and whatnot. And another thing here too, guys. This screen looks really, really good. To kid you not, it's actually a really high quality screen. I was so surprised. And I haven't even used the AirPods Plus. And you know what? Let me go ahead and get this open too. So I kind of want to check these out because these are brand new to the market here from Blu. And you know, I don't want to not give them any love. They sent me the headphones for a reason. So let me go ahead and get one of these open. All right, now it says it has a premium metal housing design. I'll be the judge of that. Open this up. Oh, okay. So let's check this out. Here are the headphones right here. They're ready to pair to something right now. You can just close it back up. It's a metal housing design. Type-C for charging on the right side of it, and has blue on the bottom. So they're actually pretty cool. Open this up. This actually matches the phone as far as color. So it looks pretty good. So I'm definitely going to end up using these with the phone because it's only right. So, Matt Squad, in the comment section below, let me know, what do you think of the Blu G91 Pro? Do you already have one? Is it cool? You think it's Blu best phone? Let me know in the comment section. And if you are new to the channel here, consider liking this video here so that other people just like you can get a little bit more help when it comes to researching budget devices like the Blu G91. Share this video with your friends and family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It is just not true. But until then, my name is Max Rock. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.